Man, pick a shoot. You got it. Let me think about this.
Yeah,
Fucking love high ceilings.
so much power. I call it CPS. It is called CPS.
Oh, sorry. I fucked this up. Back at press B, I guess we'll do.
I didn't know anything.
It's a different. It's so much. Is it even worth learning? Yeah. I mean, like, there's some key situations where you can, like, completely stock off. There's a
Ooh,
mod
look.
where we'll play the home run now. I think it's oh, maybe it's in some hot
Canceling is just, it's just self-canceling.
yeah.
Yeah, it genuinely, it feels like a arcade version of Melee.
Actually, it's so true. When anyone first yeah, they're like, oh, it's this guy, yeah.
It's like, it invented the line.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I should be able to get into the airplane or the beta or whatever. That's what I'm saying. I should be able to get an airplane on there. Oh, double spectrum. Oh, yeah. See ya.
I think that would be popular, but it's like dedicated to
Alright. Yes. You gotta wait for having down. Get some like senior league or something.
up there.
Whoa!
Up there. Yeah.
How are we doing in the box? Okay.
It's fun. Yeah. Get me up there.
Drew. Be honorable. Give me a stop. Alright, punch time, guys. I am the best one. Hey, fuck shit. I'm the best one. Oh no, I felt for a very obvious date with the shield.
We have a guy. That guy is like showing us.
Dude, that's crazy.
It's like it's like it's lasers are slightly slower, but they're also like not that much slower, and they're not so they do one stop.
Aha!
He's really good. Yeah. Well, I want to run C4 Phoenix.
Tornado.
Yeah, you can run through just two broken. He's fun. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think about it. It's like like he's also really good. He's about like this part of the really good.
When I go up there in the tornado.
Yeah, it's a super good character.
Go away, tornado! Gone!
Yeah, and it's just like super big.
No!
Yeah, it's like.
My nickname.
He can get combos super hard, so like to counter that, he just throws out massive waves so often that you have to get good at it first, and then once you get in there, his old costumes, the 64 has, because they didn't have metal blocks or mushroom and light in the campaign,
This is my original.
K and then Battle Mario were
I knew how to
enemies with like unique properties. Their fun wise is 64, but 64 only makes most tournaments allow them because they're worse versions of their because by making TK, they've already he just gets comboed really hard. His hitboxes go past people if you're too close. And then Metal Mario has his he does have weird play values that makes it hard to get. And most of it in the campaign is artificially adjusted instead of maintained. So you play him through the default menu, he loses like most of it and ends up just being like a character review. As soon as you throw him off stage, like you just can't. Yeah. It's he falls slower and he falls more. Because they fixed it by artificially adjusting his value, so like you can put it in the debug and that's it's something like they changed his fastball with artificially hacked on as opposed to the enabling. Yeah. They have Mad Piano in that game, which is also like another boss, like where they have the ice character. And Mad Piano has his dash is a hit bars. So he runs into someone and it's like a ridiculously powerful.
I like Resident Evil.
My goal right now is engineer trying to get a house in Springfield, and then like the one thing I want to do, I have time for really like one other thing me and Jenny really want to do is a house. Yeah. And I've been thinking about if I can get it off the ground and running, I want to start working. I would like to start working for like 64 minutes. Because we get a player. He's better than the kids. And everybody got super into it for a second, like just for friends. So there's yeah. It's just a lot to set up because like obviously most people don't have 64 controllers, but there are adapters. So I need to get a 64 console, a modded cartridge, I have to set up the remix, and then I have to get one of those adapters.
There's a guy in Japan that makes some really good adapters for like everything. Oh my god, that killed me. I was one guy that runs a company, and I bought the ones for GameCube just Nintendo.
Okay.
You can plug it to the controller and you can play on the virtual console. I'm pretty sure it's someone gone because I have to look it up. Yeah, I'll give it a spoiler rate. They're kind of pricey, but they're the best ones.
Yeah, my only concern is like, I don't know what you're doing. I was worrying about like, I get the wrong line and like add to the layer.
No, that's all. So it's really just like honestly, I think if it adds anything, it's just the lead from the game. Very if I say it, you might be like, oh, I've heard that. Pretty.
I would not know that even to like extend it out. I had a 64 player show me a website to buy.
I mean, I wasn't there. Well, I played the Black Press. I'm not winning.
I could look fine on it.
Yeah, maybe the thing we're talking about the same. He doesn't seem very good. I mean, he seems really like not he's just all right. He's fun though. He's very fun. I think it's stupid. I don't think he does anything else. Yeah. I mean, he does have it sounds like because of the best. It doesn't even stop for
Yeah.
so it's a guy like Japan who makes all these. I don't know what Garrett's ever done. So maybe get it sooner rather than later. The fact that his life is very much down the road. I got the Super Nintendo like and working great. Yeah, it makes really good. All the people that like yeah, the adapters are great. I adapt those. One thing with the Super Nintendo adapter, when you plug it in, you hold the button. ever played Mario World? The one.
What a tech.
I got 9 series. I got 9 out of 10. He went over here. Like seriously. Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Well, that solves that step. Yeah,
Maybe you guys could it's probably going to be February, late February, or late March. The next one, I'm trying to do like 6 months out.
New controller, Johns.
It's nice. I just want to